friends, celebrate Independence Day by trying out some of these fun and creative 4th of July craft ideas. Most of these are created with some basic supplies and recycled items. Popsicle stick stars. This is one of the most easiest idea. Supplies needed. Craft sticks or popsicle sticks, paint red, blue, and white, hot glue gun and glue sticks, and string. So let's start. You will need 5 popsicle sticks to make 1 star. First, paint your popsicle sticks red, white, and blue color. Let the paint dry. We already did mine right here. So start making the layout. You can use 1 color or mix all 3 colors to make 1 star. Now glue your craft sticks together and you're all done. Same way, make a blue and white one. Use a string to hang your star. It is so easy, right? Beautiful paper fan DIY. Supplies needed are cardstock paper, white, red, and blue color, hot glue, and scissors. Take 2 sheets of blue paper. Now we will need 4 red and white stripes. For that, fold the sheet lengthwise about 1 inch wide and cut 4 stripes out. Now we got 4 red and 4 white stripes. Now let's start gluing them on. Let the glue dry. Make the first fold by folding over the 1/2 inch of paper and creasing. Turn the sheet and make another fold. You are creating accordion style plates. Repeat until you reach the end. Now fold it like this. Attach the folded side with glue. Connect it all together. Once it's all connected, it will turn into a beautiful paper fan. Glue a star-shaped sticker in the middle. For making a mini fan, cut your papers lengthwise in half and do the same steps. Now fold it and glue the folded side together. Glue all the pieces together and you will get a mini flan. Another fun craft, popsicle stick flower vase. Supplies you will need are empty container, paint color, red, blue, and white, craft sticks, and an elastic band. We used some duct tape to cover the sharp edge. You need to paint the craft sticks red, white, and blue. I already did mine, and they're ready to use. Take your elastic band, put it in the container, make sure that it's tight enough. Now just slide this colored popsicle stick next to each other until you cover the whole container. Instead of putting glue, we used this rubber band so we could use it again for another project. So just align them by hitting it on the table, and then it's done. You can take a piece of twine and tie a knot around the vase, and your pretty vase is ready. For this vase, you may like to make some flowers. For making this 4th of July themed flowers, we are going to use some coffee filter, red, blue, and white watercolor, and some green fuzzy sticks. Take your coffee filter and flatten it and use some watercolor, blue and red paint to paint it. Leave some spaces so that it will become white. I'm using the vermilion red. Let the coffee filter dry. Once everything is dry, we are going to make a flower bucket out of them. I fold it and then I twist it in the middle a little bit and then I cut it to make it shaped like petals. Wrap a green pipe cleaner around your flower to make a stem. Now here's your wonderful flowers. Place it in your vase. Fourth of July rock painting. This is a simple and fun craft idea for the whole family. Grab a few rocks, and we will also need red, blue, and white acrylic paint and paintbrush, or you can use paint markers as well. Look for some 4th of July theme or create your own design. You can make fireworks or an American flag and have fun painting on rocks. So let the paint dry. Another fun craft is paper lanterns. Here's what you need. Craft paper, red, blue, and white. Scissors, pencil, a marker, glue or stapler. Fold your craft paper in half, lengthwise. Cut off a thin strip of paper. You will use it as a handle. Mark a line across the length of the folded paper. Draw a few lines like this along the long line, then cut on these. So take your sheet of blue paper. We will be needing 2 strips of blue paper to glue on the edges, so cut it out and then glue it on the edges. Glue these strips onto the paper. Roll your paper like this and staple it to secure it. Now add the strip that you have cut earlier as a handle. You can add white stars for 4th of July theme. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.